Top 6 Best Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Discover the best products for your kitchen. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 6. Keurig Supreme MultiStream Coffee Maker Black. Experience the rich, full-bodied flavor of every cup with the Keurig Supreme MultiStream Coffee Maker in sleek black. Unlike standard brewers, its innovative multi-stream technology saturates coffee grounds evenly from multiple angles, extracting deeper flavor and aroma, outperforming similar single-stream models. With customizable brew sizes and a strong brew option, it delivers cafe-quality coffee tailored to your taste. The intuitive interface and fast brew time make mornings effortless. Designed for modern kitchens, it fits seamlessly into your routine. Whether you're upgrading from a basic machine or switching brands, the K-Supreme offers superior performance, consistency, and style, making it the smart choice for coffee lovers who demand more from their brew. Number 5. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker Black. The Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker in sleek black delivers rich, cafe-quality coffee at the touch of a button, faster and more conveniently than drip machines or single-serve competitors. With multiple brew sizes, 6, 8, 10 ounces, it's perfect for any cup size, outperforming basic models with its consistent temperature and quick brew time. Easy to use and maintain, it features a 48-ounce removable water reservoir and simple button controls. Compared to similar pod-based brewers, the K Classic offers superior reliability and durability. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or simplifying your morning routine, this Keurig stands out for performance and value. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, and experience the difference today. Number 4. Ninja PB051 Single-Serve Coffee Maker, Pods and Grounds. The Ninja PB051 Single-Serve Coffee Maker delivers unmatched versatility, brewing both pods and ground coffee with precision. Unlike similar single-serve machines limited to pods, the PB051 offers flexibility without sacrificing speed or flavor. Its compact design fits any kitchen, while advanced extraction ensures rich, cafe-quality results every time. Whether you prefer the convenience of pods or the freshness of grounds, this brewer adapts effortlessly. Easy to use and clean, it's the ideal upgrade for coffee lovers seeking variety and performance. Select the department you want to search in: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, tools and home improvement. To move between items, use your keyboard's up or down arrows. Experience the Ninja difference, where innovation meets everyday brewing. Number 3. Keurig K-Mini Compact Single-Serve Coffee Maker. The Keurig K-Mini is the ultimate space-saving coffee maker, perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. Unlike bulkier single-serve brewers, the K-Mini's slim design fits virtually anywhere. No countertop clutter. It brews a fresh cup in under a minute using K-Cup pods, offering convenience without compromise. Compared to similar compact models, it stands out with its simplicity, speed, and reliability. Just add water, insert your favorite pod, and press brew. With no water reservoir to clean and a removable drip tray, maintenance is a breeze. Whether you're upgrading your morning routine or need a reliable coffee solution on the go, the Keurig K-Mini delivers rich, satisfying coffee, one cup at a time. Compact, convenient, coffee perfection. Number 2. Keurig K-Elite Strength and Temp Control Coffee Maker. Upgrade your coffee experience with the Keurig K-Elite Coffee Maker, engineered for perfection. Featuring strength and temp control, it delivers bolder, hotter brews tailored to your taste. Unlike similar models, the K-Elite boasts a large 75-ounce water reservoir, iced coffee setting, and quiet brew technology for minimal disruption. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to navigate settings with ease. Whether you're in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, this sleek, versatile machine stands out. Designed for modern kitchens, the K-Elite combines convenience, customization, and premium performance, making every cup cafe quality. Elevate your mornings. Choose Keurig K-Elite. Number 1. Keurig K-Express. 3 brew sizes, strong brew, black. The Keurig K-Express in sleek black delivers unmatched convenience with 3 brew sizes and a bold, strong brew option, perfect for coffee lovers who demand flavor and flexibility. Compared to similar single-serve brewers, it stands out with faster brewing, a compact design, and reliable performance. Whether you're rushing out the door or savoring a quiet moment, the K-Express adapts to your pace. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to easily navigate options and find your perfect cup. Part of the trusted Keurig kitchen lineup, this brewer combines style and function. Select your department: beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, and experience the difference a quality brew makes every time. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.